Hey, my dear little friends. Assalamu alaikum. Are you all ready? Now we are gonna make an activity book. Please take some papers. You can use staplers or glue to stick all those paper together. It's very simple. See, your activity book is ready. You can do anything on your activity book. You can paint, you can draw, you can stick something, whatever you want to do, you can do. How is it? Yes, now our scrapbook is ready. Please try to make a book like this and keep it with you throughout this year. Inshallah. Now it is the time to design our book. First of all, you have to write your name on a piece of paper. Like this. This is my name. You have to write your name on a piece of paper. And try to collect the letters of your name from different sources. Here I have some waste materials. I'm gonna use all these items to find the letters of my name. All these materials are easily available in your surroundings. Try to cut the letters carefully with the help of your parents and use the colored papers in different way. You can cut star shapes, heart shapes and many other shapes to decorate your activity book. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.